My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called MiK, M-I-K. This particular ransomware is able to essentially damage all the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attacks, of course, customers are able to open their files without complications. Unfortunately, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this MiK ransomware may be easily injected. And so pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their files anymore. By the way, often it happens that people restart their computers and then notice that something really bad has occurred and that they cannot open their files. So this is the result of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts the files and does not let people use the data anymore. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that the files have been encrypted, and it also tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, and also it tells them to contact the developers using this email address, mayakovsky@activist.com. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be recovered, so you should not pay the ransom, and there is no point to contact these criminals because there is no guarantee that they would keep their words and restore your data. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. We suggest that you go to the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes running in the background, right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption and to at least save some of your files from being encrypted. We recommend you to remove this ransomware and all other threats from your system using Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green button, install the application, and start investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will update its anti-malware database and will begin researching your device. So, after the anti-malware database is updated, the Combo Cleaner begins scanning the system, and you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner, and you may pay attention to the fact that it has got the anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of scan, the program gives you the summary of threats. You may remove all these threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats altogether and automatically, and to protect your files from further malware or ransomware attacks.